Talk about my greenhouse door. When you buy one of these cheap greenhouse doors from, I forget who it was from, but maybe Vevor, it comes with this zipper that doesn't last at all. And so you need some sort of an end wall eventually. And so here's one that I rigged up. Kind of cool, it automatically closes there. Initially I had a latch on here, but I'll show you the framing. It's just a box out of some screw up 2x4s. Okay, then with a diagonal piece, and underneath that is the plastic that originally came from the greenhouse. That was the zip off part when it broke. Just cut it out to size. And then what makes it automatically close here, pretty simple, just an old spring we had laying around. Screw, washer, pin the screw. Same thing here. When you open it, boom, automatically closes. So that's the door for my automatic greenhouse wall. I initially had a latch in here that you could latch it when you came inside so it wouldn't blow over, but the spring solved that problem. Yeah, and it makes a pretty tight seal as well, because I have a frame that it closes against. You can see I framed the door up around there.